Hey guys, it is
OPS Sunshine.
Sunrise Daydream.
Sunrise Danger.
It's LPS Sunrise Daydream here, and today we're gonna be unboxing toys. What? So show them what you got.
I got OPS.
And I got Jim from Troll Hunters. So let's get started. Open it. No, open mine. Okay, we're gonna take off the package off camera. Okay, so we took off the packaging. Now we're just gonna take off all this stuff.
Baby doesn't.
Sorry if you hear anything in the background. Okay, now you can take that off. We'll be back. So here are the products. And yeah, so these are the toys we got at Target, and yeah. So the Littlest Pet Shop was $4.99, and Jim from the Troll Hunters was originally $8.99, but we got $2.25 off, so he was only $6.74. And yeah, so we hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing video, even though it wasn't really an unboxing because we had to pause it because, you know, I don't really have that much space on my tablet. Sorry about that, and the quality. And we hope you enjoy this video, right? So, thanks for watching. Bye.